What's up, drivers? Today's video features an occurrence that I have never personally witnessed before. You join me as I'm sat behind a white Seat at Nightmare Junction. Both them and a red Seat next to them have left enough space for a silver MG to take the available remaining space in the queue for Prince's Avenue. Following them, however, is a black Range Rover which does the thing we've seen 1,000 times before. They emerge and selfishly block the left-hand lane Springbank traffic. This is where the story ends with a majority of Nightmare Junction clips. They'll sit there blocking the road until the light for the right-hand lane turns green as you slowly roll up towards a now red light for your left-hand lane.
You're the one that sat in the fucking way, you idiot, in the wrong lane. What are you shrugging at other people for?
But upon realising not both lights are changing, this Range Rover driver apologises and goes to plan B. Indicate and try to cut in, driving slowly and praying that the right-hand lane turns green just as they get to the turn. It doesn't. They go to plan C, try to spot an opportunity for a quick U-turn on Springbank West. Because of active flowing traffic, this also doesn't quite work out for them, and now the white Seat is heavily triggered, tailgating and weaving behind them. The Range Rover driver keeps their composure and goes to plan D.
Okay, yeah, that is like the most sensible thing that you can do if you end up in that situation. Fucking take notes, everyone. Just use the left-hand lane, pull a Yui there, and then use Springbank West. If the light had turned green there, they would have 100% cut in front of that queue in traffic. But then they went to plan C, which was find somewhere to turn around and try again. Bravo. Can't fault you for that. I think that's the first time I've ever seen anyone do that. And I'm pretty certain I have said before in a video about that's like one way to fix the Nightmare Junction problem is to do that. Exactly that.
Or drive up to Heimers Avenue, pull a Yui and get back on Springbank West.
I'll have to watch the old Nightmare Junction video that I did. But I'm fairly certain that is pretty much exactly what I said to do.